Child, every time we got a vacation going on, the closet is a mess. It's Tish. Welcome to my channel. I don't know when this video is gonna come out. Oh, September 24th, and we about to go on a mini world tour. We about to go on a little Europe, that area. What area is that? The east, from Barcelona. I'm so sleepy. Barcelona, Amsterdam, Morocco, 2 days each, and then back to Barcelona to get on a 7-day cruise to Italy and France. We drive to New York. We're supposed to drive. It's about a 10-hour drive. Billy doing the driving, of course. I don't do that. I need to finish packing. Yes, I'm not finished packing. Like, this has been very stressful for me to try to pack 12 days to a carry-on and a backpack. Like, I'm just ready to be in the car and be asleep. This trip is a group trip from TravelBuzz. Done did all the details. I'm gonna show y'all a little detail sheet because she did that. Say hey, Mr. Bear. I mean, Miss Bear. Whatever you want to be, girl. Whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.
To Barcelona.
We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby.
Nice, thank you. Ooh. Okay.
I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking I ain't sticking around, no. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, I see you with the
Very tired. Very exhausted. To the liquor store because we're ready to drink, and we need a drink after this long ass, miserable ass traveling. Glasses like this give me PTSD because I remember I had posted a picture in like the 9th grade and I had on some shades like this. And this boy gonna comment saying, "You look like a fly." Ooh, this thing on here, somebody just got done farting. Ooh, I'm on my way to get some food, some burritos, and get back and drink. And that's all we can do with our time today. I hope nobody get on here and think that I farted. I did not. Thank you. Hola.
Hola.
We gotta go to sleep. Our flight leaves at, our shuttle to the flight gets here in 4.5 hours. And the flight leaves at 7 a.m. It's currently midnight. And what's irritating to me is I feel like we just got here because we time traveled. So we got here at 11 a.m. Took a nap, which I shouldn't have done. Cause now I'm up. I told you shouldn't have taken a nap.
I chose to. You can have.
I'm just taking a shot, and then I'm gonna check into this cruise and try to go to sleep. I'm not about to go to sleep. I'm not sleepy. I want to watch 21st Jump Street. Oh, we got travel bags. Some of the group. My bag lady. I mean my bag man. I'm trying to learn a little bit Arabic. Cause I feel like that's what you should do when you go somewhere. You need to, you know what I'm saying? Khalik Hayam. I mean Kayf halukum. Kayf halukum.
كيف حالكم؟
Kayf halukum. That means how are you?
Purchase your tracks today.
We in Morocco.
Not right away. Let's see, is it worth getting? Might be worth getting.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Oh yeah, beats made this.
Y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey crew, travel buzz. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? Hey girl, hey. You're right. You're right. I'm wrong. I don't see no golf, but.
Oh, wow. Yeah, no.
Table tennis in the shade.
Ooh.
Couple of table tennis.
Oh wow. Y'all see these olives? Cute and funky. I say it's cute and funky. This is our room. I gotta hurry up and shower and change so we can go. Oh, what the light? I would say clap on. We have a shopping tour, not him, at 2:15. It's 4 hours. I would love to nap right now. Cause I just know this feels good.
Right here.
I'm glad we're not on the bottom floor because you know bugs be on the bottom. That's where you napping. Right? That's so sweet. I forgot to show this bag before I destroyed it, but let's look in Billy's. TravelBuzz bags. It's so sweet. Oh, oh. I wish this shopping trip was like at 5. Okay, so first off, we got some TravelBuzz keychains, hand sanitizer. What the hell are these called? You know what that is. Bag tag. At first, I thought TB stand for Tisha Bradford, but it stands for TravelBuzz. You know, we got rain ponchos. That's wonderful, cause who knows when it's gonna rain. Little notebook. Oh, this cute. He only got 1 Clorox pack. I got like 3 and 2 rain ponchos. My bag must have been the last one. And I'm glad, cause y'all, these come in clutch. You always gotta have some wipes with you. On our way to the market.
I said, no, that's not our place.
On a shopping tour.
Mohammed, I will be your guide this afternoon. You're going to see the beautiful, the colorful souks of Marrakech.
Yeah.
It's mixed, but Morocco is
Oh, and those grapes look pretty.
Royal Palace.
Yeah. At all. Just like a. What's this? These are natural spices. You can't get these nowhere else, y'all. Okay.
Very good dish. Medicinal plants and herbs. Moroccan oil. Yeah, do you know what I mean? Argan. Exactly, lady. The argan oil. One stuff, one product. We exist only here in Morocco. No other country.
Period.
In your body? Yes. One. Somebody wants lemongrass. You want to lose weight? Lemon tea.
God, he is so good at selling us all this stuff.
Beats made this.
Yes. Okay, y'all. Got some henna.
Yeah.
I ain't got no more money. Ooh. Oh my God.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so next he took us to this dress shop because we all wanted caftans and garbs and hair wraps for tomorrow for the village tour. So this sweet lady was helping me put that on, helping me pick out which one was best for me. I did really want to immerse into their culture. Like if I'm visiting, I want to see what y'all do by getting into it myself. Okay. Pass me the hookah. Okay, the main market was definitely an aggressive place that you do not want to go to if you don't have the balls to say no, because they definitely will haggle you. Everything costs, even dance. But I get it because tourism is kind of exploitative, so they do have a right to ask you for money. But yeah, this is all the stuff that I picked up from the chemist and then wrapped up as the garb. I would have gotten this stuff from the market for a lot cheaper, but like I said, he took us to his friends. At the buffet, all you can eat. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. I usually hate buffets because people are very nasty, but we just gonna, you know, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. We just gonna pray. I got a little bit of everything. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Oh, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Birthday to you. Woo! Damn. Hello.
How are you? How are you?
Purchase your tracks today.
It's 10:36 and we in for the night, which is fine. I gotta be up early for this camel ride, so see you then.